Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, rear, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, door courtesy lights.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.